Dear students, in this class, in chapter 5, we are going to discuss another term that is called rivet. Here, we are going to discuss the definition of rivet. In this board, there is a definition that says that is rivet. What do you mean by rivet? Rivet is a short cylindrical piece of ductile material having a head at one end and other end having tapered cylindrical portion is called tail, and the body portion between head and tail is called shank. That is the one of the definition of rivet. In our definition, we use a term ductile. That means our rivet is a ductile material. What do you mean? What is the meaning of ductile? In our physics, material science, ductility means property of material drawn into thin wire is called ductility. So, our rivet having this property. So, we use a ductile cylindrical piece for the purpose of riveting. Okay. This figure shows a schematic diagram of rivet head. At the lower end, we can see that there is a spherical shape. That portion is called head. See, this is the head portion. Spherical in shape, that is called head. At the top, you have to see another portion. Its name is tail. And in between this tail and this head, there is a middle portion. That's name is shank. See, the center portion shank marked by a notation that is D. That means its diameter is exact diameter is at center. When we compared the diameter at the tail end, we can see that diameter is 0.95 D. Suppose D is 10. If it is D is 10, then tail diameter is 0.95 into 10, that is 9.5 millimeter. 9.5 millimeter. So, this is the parts of our rivet head. Okay.